what's in the other building?
Oh, this is weird. Daddy! Daddy!
What's your name?
Chloe.
Chloe.
Yeah.
She's so good. Oh, well done, Chloe. Really, really good. Really, really good. We have a workshop for families.
Can we do it?
Yes, of course we do it. Okay, sing. What do you say? Sing bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
When it's job to Chloe's work.
Oh yeah, do you want to join? Okay. So, what we're doing, I mean, you can see lots of things going on around you. There's loads of materials. I'll show you some pictures when we get to the table.
I also do see a knife fork.
Yeah,
thing,
over there.
I don't know what it is. I think there must be lots of clay.
So, what we're making is we're making our own drawing tools.
Okay. Could like make a handle which I can put spoons, some crayons and
Oh, are you going to draw with this?
yes. And I can do this.
Do you want some help with something?
And
Is there something you want to do?
I want to do something similar but a bit different.
What's that?
Something similar but a little bit different.
Yeah, we can do that. How about, for instance, you could, for instance, have like a really long arm, or we could put like...
You want to maybe attach this?
Yeah, I don't know, I could just do this.
Yeah.
Like cut off a head of a toothbrush. So you can paint from long areas.
Long distance. Oh, yeah, I can see. It's like extraordinary. She's so talented.
I haven't finished yet. Around my body. Okay. I think I want to use pink. It's the same colour but this longer.
I already have a hole here.
Oh yeah.
Can you wear
Look at you. Fashion queen.
Yeah, and then I think I might have to do something so it doesn't fall down.
Yes. We can either make another hole. How old are you?
8.
Soon you will be a fashion designer.
I'm a fashion designer. I stopped doing the fashion after COVID. So she didn't see it. She has something in her blood.
Absolutely, absolutely, undeniably, really. Should we do another knot? Then we can put it here.
Yeah. And maybe I could just, instead of putting here, I can just do down here.
Yes.
And the colour, maybe.
Do you want to put these two together?
Yeah, maybe these two together
Okay.
with tape, because you could just strap it around.
Oh, it's so nice.
This.
Really, this is so secure.
If I could just attach something to my shoe, I could just stamp on the walk with them and footsteps off here. And then I could use the other one to wrap it around as my another arm.
Yes.
Wrap it around.
Sorry, I just saw another one. Can I photograph this?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna try colouring now.
Let's do like this. Yes. Wanna try another color?
Yeah, maybe red. Oh, for that bloke. Then I can do. Then I got a good idea. I could